Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today is our ninth lecture. In ninth lecture we start our chapter number 2, Making of Pakistan. In chapter number 2 of page 14, I selected main points on separate sheet for your convenience. There is a lot of history, but I'll try to make easiest to understand the events. Let's see the events. Making of Pakistan. War of Independence 1857 was fought, and this war was fought between Britishers and Indians, means Hindu and Muslims were fighting against the Britishers. But after the war, the Britishers held responsible for the war to Muslims. उन्होंने मुसलमानों को जिम्मेदार करार दिया इस जंग का, and they started very bad treatment with the Muslims. For this purpose, the Muslim leaders established different institutions for the Muslims, for the betterment of the Muslims. The institutions were Aligarh, Deoband, Nudwatul Ulma. These institutions played a very important or vital role for the supremacy of Islam. These institutions were also promoting the Western education to bring British Muslim unity and also working for the welfare of the Muslims. And there were events which create gap between the Muslims and Hindus. The events were Indian National Congress formation. These four events we discussed in the previous chapter, ideological basis of Pakistan, but I recap here. Indian National Congress, first political party, was formed in 1885. This party claimed equal representation of the both Muslims and Hindus, but it was dominated by Hindus and its policies were totally against the Muslims. Urdu Hindi controversy. In 1867, the Banaras Hindu started a movement against Urdu because it was not acceptable for the Hindus. Partition of Bengal. In 1905, Britishers divided Bengal into two provinces on administrative ground, but was not acceptable for the Hindus. Formation of Muslim League is another event which created gap between Muslims and Hindus. Rebellion of Mopla tribes in 1921. Rebellion Bagawat. It was started in 1921 as a resistance against the British colonial rule. Colonial rule means colonies बनाना. ब्रिटिशर्स जहाँ जहाँ कब्ज़ा करते थे वहाँ कॉलोनीज़ बनाकर उसको अपने मुताबिक चलाते थे. सिंपल colonial rule एंड फ्यूडल सिस्टम. तो ये रिबिलियन या बगावत कहाँ पे स्टार्ट होती है? इट वॉज स्टार्टेड इन द सदर्न इंडिया, मलाबार स्टेट से स्टार्ट होती है एंड दिस रेजिस्टेंस was against the Britishers. Clear? And both Hindus and Muslims participating against the Britishers. But the end of this resistance convert into communal violence between Hindus and Muslims. यानी वो जो इकट्ठे बगावत शुरू की थी ब्रिटिशर्स के ख़िलाफ़ इंडिया में, वो किस में तब्दील हो गई? आपस में फ़िरका वाराना फसादात में तब्दील हो गई. चोरा चोरी इंसिडेंट्स 1922. This was a town, or this is a town in Uttar Pradesh, India. There is a police station. The police killed or shoot several demonstrator and protester who were participating in non-cooperation movement, and the police killed the protesters who participating in the non-cooperation movement, and in reaction the protesters set on fire the police station and 23 policemen were killed. This was also converted into the riots, cohort riots in 1924. These were also, we can say, communal riots in Kohat in 3 days, 9 to 11 September 1924. According to the official statistic, casualty count was 155, मीन्स कि 155 लोग यहाँ पे भी मारे गए इन फसादात में जो कोहाट में शुरू हुए थे. And the Gandhi, who was the leader of the Hindus, he was also against the violence. He undertook a 21 days fast for Hindu Muslim unity in October 24. क्लियर. सितंबर में यहाँ वाक़या होता है और 155 लोग मारे जाते हैं इन फसादात में. तो उसके रिएक्शन में गांधी टुक फास्ट ऑफ 21 days फॉर द हिंदू मुस्लिम यूनिटी. प्रो हिंदू मूवमेंट्स शुद्धि एंड संगठन, यानी हिंदुओं ने दो तहरीकें आर्य समाज की सुपरविजन में दे स्टार्टेड द टू मूवमेंट्स अंडर द आर्य समाज पंडित, which means to make or purify the person. Shuddhi means purify karna, and these two movements aim was to convert the Muslims and Christian into Hinduism. Clear. ज़बरदस्ती हिंदुज़म अडॉप्ट करवाया जाता था और उनको ज़बरदस्ती कहा जाता था कि आप इस मज़हब को अडॉप्ट करेंगे तो आप प्योरीफाई हो जाएंगे. द नेक्स्ट इवेंट was provincial elections. These elections were held in 1937. Congress got seats out of 8 provinces, in 8 provinces. यानी पूरे सब कॉन्टिनेंट के इंडिया के ब्रिटिश इंडिया के 11 सूबों में से कांग्रेस गॉट विक्ट्री इन 8 provinces. And in 2.5 years rule, Congress took such steps which were totally against the Muslims, and they treated very badly with the Muslims. So these events also created difference and gap between the Muslims and Hindus. For this purpose, the Muslim leaders demanded separate homeland, and this idea was also supported by some Hindu leaders, and in one of them was Lala Lajpat Rai, who was strongly supporter of the separate homeland for the Muslims and Hindus. So these events clear us that which create gap between the Muslims and Hindus. Our short question number 1: what events widened the distance between Muslims and Hindus? So these were the events which created gap or distance between the Muslims and Hindus. For more clearance, you must read the page number 14. Thank you.